So guys, we can discuss about that benefit and drawbacks to share your Instagram post on Facebook and LinkedIn option. The Instagram post will be sharing from Facebook and LinkedIn. What are the benefit? What are the drawbacks? First of all, I go to the Instagram profile, select anything, image or video, select the option, copy link. You can share it by your particular page. Here we can go for copy link, paste it. Email will be showing and Instagram will be showing where you can selecting for newsfeed option. Here, what are the content here? Paste it. You can share it in newsfeed option and the groups also. Here Instagram will be disable this option. Why? This feature is not showing for Instagram post as it is. That is called they're showing for disable this option. Share by group. The showing for LinkedIn will be groups will be showing. At we can sharing for only one group will be shared here. So one group will be shared. Newsfeed option and the group also. Share now. Here. When sharing this option, image asterisk will be disabled by the particular Facebook page. Then nothing disabled by any image. What are the image you can share? The image asterisk you can show in for where? Your particular Facebook page option. Same thing, copy link, shared by the LinkedIn. Copy this. Everything fine and post it. After posting this one, when you click here, they go to Instagram post option. So they can't visible by image option here. Is only one drawback. So what are the image will be showing on Instagram post? They're showing on Facebook page. They can't showing for LinkedIn option. Same like that. We can sharing for video also will be same thing. We can show here, but video will be showing for blank on the particular LinkedIn option. So you can video will be play. Copy link. Shared by this option. Here, when you click this one, what is happening? We can check for after posting this one. You can share by group also. Now in the drawback, copy link, paste, in this post option. What we can show for blank. When click here, they're going to be Instagram account. So this is called only drawback for the LinkedIn. They can't show by the image or video when sharing for Instagram to LinkedIn option. But as will be showing for where a particular option. They go to where Instagram. The benefit is called we can sharing for Instagram post for Facebook and LinkedIn. They relate to the Instagram option to increase the followers on the particular Instagram page. So this is the one of the future to increase the Instagram followers option.